Have you ever thought about how extraordinary it is that we walk on two legs without constantly toppling over? We run, we dance, and even glide across icy sidewalks with ease. And what seems so ordinary, in truth, is one of the most sophisticated balancing acts in all of creation. Before we get into it, good morning, everyone! And thank you so much for joining me here on a brand new episode of Shar HaBechina. Now, the secret to this remarkable ability lies deep inside the human ear. Let's do a little bit of biology today. Bear with me, it's pretty interesting. Within the inner ear is a structure called the semicircular canal, a set of three fluid-filled tubes, each aligned at right angles to one another. When we move, the fluid inside shifts and activating hair cells that send electrical signals to our brain. These signals, they tell us how quickly and in what direction our head is moving. Alongside this, tiny calcium stones embedded in like a jelly-like layers also detect gravity and acceleration, like how fast we're going or how, picking up speed. And imagine stepping onto an elevator and that subtle drop you feel is these stones triggering nerve endings, relaying instant updates to your brain about your body's position. But balance isn't only about inner ear. It's also a collaboration. Your eyes, they send the visual information. Your skeletal system provides feedback, and together they form a perfectly integrated system. When something disrupts this harmony, such as maybe someone's ill or aging or damaged, we see just how dependent we are on this delicate design. The dizziness some people describe as when the room is spinning, it's a small glimpse into what life would be like if this miraculous system ever failed. When we consider how seamlessly all of this works, we can't help but marvel. How did these calcium particles, for instance, come to exist? Perfectly placed, right? How did that happen? How do nerve endings transmit signals so quickly without conscious thought? That just happens. And how does the brain instantly coordinate muscles to prevent a fall before we even realize you're in danger, right? So you have that instinct or that knee-jerk reaction. That's what we're talking about over here. And this is not an accident. It's a daily miracle, one that allows us the gift of freedom, agility, and movement. And yet balance is not only physical. Human beings were also gifted with emotional balance. Unlike animals, people, humans, we carry within us a vast landscape of emotions. We have joy, we have grief, we have fear, and all these emotions are not flaws to be suppressed, but signs of Hashem's wisdom. And they inspire us to have compassion, resilience, sacrifice, and they push us beyond survival into a meaning and purpose. And the ability to rise above our limitations through feeling is perhaps the greatest expression of our own humanity. So the next time you take a step, whether across a crowded room or down a snowy street or down a slope, remember, you are living proof of Hashem's design. Every movement and every feeling is a whisper of wisdom that's woven into your own being. The question we must ask ourselves is this: if such brilliance was placed within us, how will we use it? Will we simply walk and feel, let it go? Or will we walk and feel with awareness of the one who gave us these gifts, understanding who it is? That's Hashem. Thank you, everyone, for joining me here today, and I love you all.